super cute school hairstyle that you need to try right now. First, section a small part of your hair and secure it with the elastic band. Once it's secured, create a small opening just above the elastic. Then, pull the ponytail through the opening and twist it upward. Gently tighten it so it looks neat and secure. Next, take another elastic and tie the section of hair. Again, make a small opening above the elastic. Twist the hair through it. Now, repeat the same technique down the length of your hair. Secure with an elastic, make an opening, pull the hair through, twist, tighten, and add a little volume. Next, take another section of hair, secure it with an elastic band. Create a small opening just above the elastic. Then twist the hair through the opening and gently tighten it. After that, braid the hair all the way down to the ends. Once you reach the bottom, secure the braid with another elastic band. Once you finish one side, do exact the same thing in the other side. And that's it. Your super cute school hairstyle is complete. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Stylish hairstyle that you need to try right now. First, take a section of hair from one side and secure it with an elastic band. Once it's secured, create a small opening just above the elastic. Now, gently flip the ponytail upward and pass it through the hair opening. Pull the hair through completely and tighten it neatly. Next, we're going to create a bubble ponytail. Place another elastic band few inches below first one. Gently pull the hair between the elastic and create a soft rounded bubble shape. Once you're done, grab another section of hair and bring it forward in front of your face. Start braiding the section from the top and continue all the way down to the ends of the hair and secure it with an elastic band. Now, let's do the same thing on the other side. Take the section of hair and secure it with an elastic band. Create a small opening above the elastic, then flip the ponytail upward through the opening. Continue creating bubble section one by one until you reach the end. Gently pull each section to make the bubble stand out and give the hairstyle more volume and style. Lastly, take another section of hair and start braiding from top and work it all the way down. And that's it. Your stylish hairstyle is done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try it yourself and I'll see you on my next video. 2 minutes hairstyle that you need to try right now. Start by sectioning a small part of your hair from the front and hold it in the place with the hairpin. Now do the same thing on the other side of your hair. Bring both sections to the back, secure them together with the hairpin. Next, bring both sections to the back, secure them together, and finish the look with the cute ribbon clip. Simple, quick, and beautiful. 2 minutes hairstyle that you need to try right now. First, start by clipping your bangs out of the way. Next, section the bangs of your hair down the middle, creating two equal sides. Take one side, brush it upward, and secure it with the rubber band. Once it's secured, braid the section and continue fastening it with the rubber bands and work your way down. And now, just repeat the exact same process on the other side of your hair. You can also release your bangs after it. Leave them for the final step. Take the two braids, bring it upward, and roll it into a neat shape. Secure it firmly with the hairpins. Do the same on the other side, making sure both rolls are tight and well secured. You can use many hairpins as much as you need it, especially if you have a long hair seam like me. For finishing touch, style your bangs by ironing them upward for the best result. And that's it. Your hairstyle is complete. 2 minutes hairstyle that you need to try right now. First, separate the bangs and clip them up so they stay out of the way. Now, section the hair upward. Take a small section and roll it a few times away from the face. Then, repeat the same process in the next section, gradually adding more hair and go. Once reach the back, secure everything with ponytail holder. Then, do the same thing on the other side, making sure both sides are looking balanced and neat. Next, roll your hair to create a cute Barbie-inspired style. Keep rolling until you get the shape and look that you want. Don't forget the ends of the hair out for later. Once you're happy with the shape, secure them with the ponytail holder. Then repeat the same step on the other side of your hair. For the final touch, release the bangs and use a flat iron to curve the end of the hair upward for a soft, fluffy look. Then do the same thing with the bangs. Curl them upward to add some extra volume to make your hairstyle look even cuter. And that's it. This is my easy, cute, and stylish hairstyle for today. It's quick, simple, and perfect. Easy hairstyle that you need to try right now. First, separate the bangs and clip them up out of the way so they don't get mixed with the rest of the hair. Next, divide the hair halfway and brush the one side upward. Once it's smooth, secure it with the ponytail. Then, repeat in the exact same step on the other side. Now, take the hair from the ponytail and gently roll it upward, leaving a small section of the hair out for later. Once I'm happy with the shape, I secure it with another ponytail. Then I do the same thing on the other side so both sides match. After that, it's time to bring the bangs back down. Remove the clip and get the flat iron ready. Curling the hair upward creates extra volume and gives the hairstyle a softer, fluffier look. Finally, for the finishing, curl the pieces of the hair that you left out earlier. This adds a soft and cute touch to the hairstyle and it helps frame the face beautifully. And that's it, a quick, easy, and adorable hairstyle that looks stylish with every little effort. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to try it with yourself. Cool and easy hairstyle that you need to try right now. First, take a section of hair from each side and bring them together at the back of your head. Secure them with the elastic band to create a small ponytail. Next, make opening right above the elastic and split the hair in the middle. Gently flip the ponytail through the opening to create a twist effect. This simple step adds a beauty detail to the hairstyle. Now, divide the remaining hair into two equal sections. One side, create a regular braid and continue braiding all the way to the end. Once you're finished, secure the braid with the elastic band. For the other side, use small elastic bands to create a bubble braid. Place an elastic a short distance below the first one, then gently pull the hair between the elastic to create a rounded bubble shape. Repeat this process all the way down the length of the hair. Once you've completed the bubble braid, do the same styling in the opposite side of your hair. And that's it. Your cool and easy hairstyle is now complete. It's fun, trendy, and perfect for school, outing, or special occasions. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video.